But yeah.
Yeah, you gotta put the .com part. Wait. Start again. Ready, and rewind. All right, go.
Hi, everybody. My name's Little Lou.
And I'm Renaldo.
We're here with ClownAntics.
.com. And we're talking about the different types of variations of Auguste Clown. The clown spectrum goes from white face clown to Auguste Clown to then what they refer to as the grotesque clown. We are Auguste Clowns. I happen to paint my nose, whereas Lou doesn't paint her nose. Lou wears a prosthetic red nose. There are all different types of prosthetic noses. Some people wear a skin tone version with some red on it. Then there are the small appliques like star or heart-shaped ones, and different lengths of nose. Again, once you wear something like that, and any makeup whatsoever, when you do stuff like that, it does alter the way you look, so then you can have fun with how you can project to the audience.
A lot of things that people don't realize about the Auguste Clowns is that we are the comedy characters, the silly characters, the clumsy characters. That's the main thing about the Auguste Clowns. So it's more about how we are, who we are, what we do, the goofy silliness that makes us Auguste Clowns.
Where with like one end of the spectrum, a white-faced clown will be the one that is referred to as the intelligent clown. And in the circus, the white face was replaced by the ringmaster. The ringmaster is the know-it-all. He's a very intelligent character. A white-faced clown will normally speak a few different languages, know a lot of different current events, be able to play 3, 4, sometimes even more musical instruments. The grotesque clown, on the other hand, is the other end of the spectrum, where he will not be as adept in any of those subjects. And the Auguste Clown will be a mixture of the two, where he is kind of understanding of current events but gets things wrong, thinks he's really intelligent, thinks she's really intelligent, but actually has a little trouble with that. That's where comedy comes in, when there's conflict. You have a subject, and then there's the conflict. The difference between textbook Auguste Clown and the type of work that we do, we tend to want to be as accessible as possible. Our makeup is very, very subdued. Our mode of dress is also subdued. It's not as flamboyant. It's very much what you would see normally normal people wear. Our shirts are outrageous in size. We don't wear the big shoes or anything like that. Again, to be accessible when it comes to what we do. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos. Bye.
Bye.
I wear shiny shoes.
Yeah, they're shiny. That's about as stand-outish as she gets. And then there's the nose.